Good afternoon everyone. In previous lecture we have started eye disorder unit, that is unit number second. So in previous lecture we have discussed about the cataract. So in this lecture now I am going to discuss about the glaucoma. What? Glaucoma. Glaucoma is the one of the eye disorder. Which are mainly found in older age. So let's start. So in that, first one is introduction. Glaucoma is the eye disorder that occur due to the excess pressure inside the eye. It means due to the increase the intraocular pressure. Okay, ocular means related to eye. Increase the intraocular pressure, it may cause a glaucoma. Glaucoma is one of the eye disorder that occur due to the increase of intraocular pressure. What? Intraocular pressure. So next is, it damages the optic nerve and can result in partial or complete loss of vision. Okay, means due to the increasing of intraocular pressure, they may cause damage to the optic nerve. Due to the increase of the intraocular pressure, due to the pressure, there may chances to damage the optic nerve and can result in loss of vision in partial or complete manner. So this is all the introduction of the glaucoma. So glaucoma, it is a general disorder that is the cause in the old age due to the increase of the intraocular pressure. Due to the intraocular pressure, there may chances to damage optic nerve. Due to the damage of the optic nerve, there may be chances to loss of vision in partial or complete manner. So next one is a definition. Definition. Glaucoma is defined and it is a group of ocular disorder characteristic by increase the intraocular pressure, optic nerve atrophy and visual field loss. What? Glaucoma is a group of ocular disorder. Ocular means related to eye. Ocular disorder characteristic by increased intraocular pressure. What? Increase the intraocular pressure. Optic nerve atrophy and visual field loss. What? And visual field loss means glaucoma is the group of ocular disorder. Include increase intraocular pressure. First one is intraocular pressure. Second one is the optic nerve atrophy. What? Optic nerve atrophy. And third one is visual field loss. What? Visual field loss. So this is the definition of the glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of ocular disorder. So first one is the increased intraocular pressure, optic nerve atrophy and visual field loss. Ocular disorder. In this group involve increased intraocular pressure, optic nerve atrophy and visual field loss. So next is, I draw one diagram of definition for remembering purpose. In exam. Okay. So what is a glaucoma? Glaucoma is the group of ocular disorder. Okay, ocular means related to eye. Ocular disorder, it includes, first one is increase IOP. IOP means intraocular pressure. Okay. Second one is optic nerve atrophy. And third one is visual field loss. So visual field loss in that partial or complete manner, maybe in complete manner, partial or complete manner. So this is a one diagram. They indicate that the indicate that the three symptoms of the glaucoma. So first one is this is a eye, and this is a diagram of glaucoma. It is the eye, this is a lens, this is a anterior chamber means aqueous chamber, this is a vitreous chamber means posterior chamber. Okay, so in that due to the increase the intraocular pressure, optic nerve get damaged. Optic nerve means it is a nerve. Okay, it is a nerve. We have already studied in 12th standard. So due to the increase of intraocular pressure, they affect on the optic nerve atrophy, damage the optic nerve. So due to the damage of the optic nerve, there are chances to visual field loss. They may be partial or complete. Okay, they may be partial or complete. So what is the glaucoma definition? Glaucoma is the group of ocular disorder. Characteristic by that is, first one is increased intraocular pressure. Second one is optic nerve atrophy. Second one is optic nerve atrophy, and third one is visual field loss. This is the definition of glaucoma, introduction of the glaucoma, and one diagram of glaucoma. This diagram indicates the glaucoma. Okay, glaucoma. So means the glaucoma and cataract is a very important question. They may ask for 5 marks or 15 marks. Okay, this is the very IMP question. फायनल एक्झामिनेशन मध्ये ग्लोकोमा आणि कॅटरॅक्ट हे 5 मार्क्ससाठी पण विचारलेले आहे आणि 15 मार्क्समध्ये पण विचारलेले आहे. 15 मार्क्समध्ये ग्लोकोमाची डेफिनेशन अँड फिजिओलॉजी ऑफ ग्लोकोमा अँड नर्सिंग डायग्नोसिस ऑफ द ग्लोकोमा हे विचारलेले आहे 15 मार्क्ससाठी 2 वर्षा पहिले. आणि कॅटरॅक्ट हा 5 मार्क्ससाठी आला होता 1 वर्षाआधी. ठीक आहे. सो cataract and glaucoma is very important question. So next is etiology of glaucoma. Etiology of glaucoma. In that, first one is age factor. Age factor, it is the first etiological factor. In that the glaucoma is occurs above the 55 year of age. 55 year of age means जे काही लोक आहे जे 55 वर्ष वयाच्या अधिक आहे त्यांना ग्लोकोमा होण्याची शक्यता जास्त असते. ठीक आहे. सेकंड वन इज डायबिटीज मिलेटस. त्यांना डायबिटीज आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये पण ग्लोकोमा होण्याची चान्सेस जास्त आहे, कारण की डायबिटीजमध्ये पण काही डायबिटीजच्या पॅथोफिजिओलॉजीमुळे पण आयवर इफेक्ट पडतो आणि आयमध्ये व्हिज्युअल लॉस इम्पेअरमेंट होते, त्यामध्ये पण इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर वाढते आणि त्यामुळे पण ग्लोकोमा होऊ शकतो. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इज hypertension. Okay, hypertension means increase the blood pressure means the hypertension. Due to the hypertension there may chances to cause a glaucoma. Hypertension is directly related to glaucoma. If the patient having the long period hypertension, there may chances to cause a glaucoma. There may chances to cause a glaucoma. Second one is the drugs. If the person taking a high dose drugs regularly, there may chances to cause a glaucoma. Due to the side effects of the drug, there may chances to glaucoma. Some drugs are directly effect on the eye, so there may chances to cause a glaucoma. In that, one example is given on the screen, that is corticosteroids. Due to the high dose of the corticosteroid, there may chances to cause a glaucoma. Due to the disadvantages of the corticosteroid, there cause the glaucoma. So next one is the family history. You can call a hereditary factor. If if the patient having the previous history or the having the any family history of glaucoma, so patient there may chances to happen a glaucoma. So this is the family history. So next one is the injury or traumatic causes. Injury and traumatic causes. It is the traumatical cause. Okay, traumatical cause. This is the injury or traumatical causes. Accidental factor. Accidental factor. If the patients are in direct contact with the hard or sharp object, there may chances to cause a eye injury. Due to the eye injury, there may causes damage to optic nerve. Due to the damage of the optic nerve, there may chances to increase the intraocular pressure. Due to the increase the intraocular pressure, there may chances to cause a glaucoma. What? Glaucoma. Second one is the RTA. RTA means road traffic accident. What? Road traffic accident. Due to the road traffic accident. Okay. Second is the sport injury. Sport injury, there may cause having the chances to cause a glaucoma. What? Glaucoma. Next one is ऑक्युपेशनल फॅक्टर. जर एखादा व्यक्ती आहे किंवा पर्सन आहे तो एखादा कॉटन फॅक्टरीमध्ये किंवा केमिकल फॅक्टरीमध्ये किंवा कोणत्याही कापड उद्योगमध्ये जर तो वर्क करत असणार तर त्याच्यामुळे पण अफेक्ट पडतो डोळ्यावर आणि डोळ्याचे जे मसल्स आहेत ते कमजोर होतात. डोळ्याच्या मसल कमजोर झाल्यामुळे इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर वाढण्याची शक्यता असते. जर इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर वाढला तर ऑप्टिक नर्व डॅमेज होतो आणि ऑप्टिक नर्व डॅमेज झाल्यामुळे व्हिज्युअल इम्पेअरमेंट होते. म्हणजेच काय होत आहे इकडे? म्हणजेच ग्लुकोमा होत आहे. ओके, म्हणजेच ऑक्युपेशनल फॅक्टर इन्फ्लुअन्स करते ग्लुकोमावर. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इज यू कॅन ॲड हिअर ओबेसिटी. व्हॉट? ओबेसिटी. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ स्मोकिंग. Then tobacco, chewing, tobacco consumption. Okay, you can add the obesity, smoking, tobacco. Okay, tobacco. Obesity is the host of the disease. Means the कोणताही अगर लठ्ठपणा आहे ते आहे एक डिसीजेसचं घर आहे असं मानतात. ठीक आहे, म्हणून ओबेसिटी इथे येणारच. ठीक आहे. जसं कॅटरॅक्टमध्ये पण ओबेसिटी आलेलं होतं, इथे आपण आपलं ओबेसिटी ॲड करू शकतो. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्मोकिंग. स्मोकिंग इज द मोस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह फॅक्टर ऑफ द कॅटरॅक्ट अँड ऑल्सो द ग्लुकोमा. कॅटरॅक्ट अँड द ग्लुकोमा. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन द टोबॅको. ओके. अँड अदर कार्टिकोस्टेरॉइड अँड ऑल. नेक्स्ट वन इज द पॅथोफिजिओलॉजी. व्हॉट? पॅथोफिजिओलॉजी. सो pathophysiology means how the disease occur step by step. Okay, so first one is due to the etiological factor. What we studied? First one is the age factor. Second one is the means the glucose occur in old age. Second one is the diabetes mellitus. Third one is the hypertension. Fourth one is the drugs used in high dose. Fourth one is the family history. Then next is the injury or traumatic causes, means accidental causes. RTA, road traffic accident. Sport injury. Occupational factor. Then you can add obesity, smoking and tobacco. Okay, this is the all etiological factor. Means due to the etiological factor. Okay, due to the etiological factor flow. Okay, due to etiological factor, hyperproduction of the aqueous and obstruct to the outflow. Okay, due to the etiological factor, in the eye there are increasing the production of the liquid means in the aqueous chamber as well as the vitreous chamber. In that they increase the production of the aqueous. Okay, they obstruct to outflow. ओके, जे काही डोळ्यामध्ये इटोलॉजीमुळे जे काही डोळ्यामध्ये पाण्यात काही प्रोडक्शन होत आहे ॲक्वायसचा पाण्यासारख्या पदार्थाचा ॲक्वायस चेंबरमध्ये आणि व्हॅट्रस चेंबरमध्ये त्यांचा आउटफ्लो मध्ये ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होत आहे. ठीक आहे, ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होत आहे. तर तिथे ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन झाल्यामुळे बघा काय होते? इन्क्रीज द इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर. व्हॉट? इन्क्रीज द इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर. ओके, ड्यू टू द ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द आउटफ्लो ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द ॲक्वायस they leads the increase the intraocular pressure. What? Increase the intraocular pressure. So due to the intraocular pressure, increasing of the intraocular pressure inhibit the blood supply to the optic nerve, inhibit the blood supply of the optic nerve and retina. Due to the insufficient blood supply of the optic nerve and retina, there may chances to damage the tissues. Okay, damage the tissue means tissue become the ischemic, means the reduce of the oxygen supply to the retinal and optic nerve tissue. Okay, then tissues become ischemic and gradually loss of function and visual field loss. Okay, due to the insufficient oxygen, there may chances to loss of the function. Okay, loss of the function, and due to the loss of the function, visual field loss is occur. Okay, due to the etiological factor, what happen? This is a eye. Okay, this is a eye. Consider as this is a eye diagram. Okay, this is a eye diagram. Okay, this is a eye diagram, and this is a optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve. This is a aqueous chamber. Okay, what? This is the optic nerve. This is a aqueous chamber. This is a vitreous chamber. Okay, and this is a retina. What? This is the retina. Okay, due to the etiological factor, hyperproduction of the aqueous and obstruct to the outflow. So in that, hyperproduction of the aqueous in the vitreous chamber as well as the aqueous chamber. So due to the increase of the production of the aqueous, so the obstruct to the outflow. ओके, इथे ड्रायनेज सिस्टीम असते, जे काही डोळ्यामधलं वॉटर लाईक्स प्रोडक्शन आहे ते सर्व इथे ड्रायनेज होते. ठीक आहे, इथे ड्रायनेज होते. ड्रायनेज तर इथं आउटफ्लोमध्ये काय येणार? ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन येणार. आउटफ्लोमध्ये ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन येणार. ठीक आहे, आउटफ्लोमध्ये ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आलं तर जे आतमधलं फ्लुइड जे काही आहे प्रोडक्शन, हायपर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द ॲक्वायर, ते डोळ्यामध्येच राहणार. कुठे राहणार? डोळ्यामध्येच राहणार. त्यामुळे काय होणार? इन्क्रीज द इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर. व्हॉट? इन्क्रीज द इंट्राऑक्युलर pressure. Due to the increase in intraocular pressure, inhibit the blood supply to the optic nerve. So optic nerve ला जे काही ब्लड सप्लाय जाते ते काय होणार? इनहिबिट होणार. काय होणार? ब्लड सप्लाय जाते ते काय होणार? इनहिबिट होणार. ठीक आहे, तिथे आता इनहिबिट झाल्यामुळे काय होते? टिश्यू बिकम अ इस्चेमिक अँड ग्रॅज्युअली लॉस ऑफ फंक्शन. इथला टिश्यू काय होणार? इस्चेमिक होणार. ओके, due to the insufficient oxygen supply to the optic nerve and retinal layer, so there may chances to what? Gradual loss of function, and tissue become a ischemic and gradual loss of function. Due to the gradual loss of function, optic nerve, due to the reduce the function of the optic nerve, there may chances to visual field loss. What? Visual field loss. What? Visual field loss. So this is all the pathophysiology of the glaucoma. So glaucoma is occur. And lastly, glaucoma is occur. Okay. So what is the pathophysiology? Due to the etiological factor, some etiological factor we have discussed already. Then hyperproduction of the aqueous and obstruct to the flow. Okay, the obstruction होता है, पण कोणाचं होता है? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ aqueous. हायपर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द aqueousचं ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होतं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे काय होते? इन्क्रीज इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर. काय होतं? इन्क्रीज इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर. आता इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर इन्क्रीज झाल्यामुळे काय होत आहे? ब्लड सप्लाय ऑप्टिक नर्व आणि रेटिनापर्यंत पोहोचत नाही. त्यामुळे तिथे काय होते? जे रेटिनल आणि ऑप्टिक नर्व टिश्यूज आहे ते इस्चेमिक होतात. म्हणजे ऑक्सिजन इन्सफिशियंट भेटल्यामुळे तिथे ते वर्क करत नाही. ओके, लॉस ऑफ फंक्शन होते. त्याच्यामुळे व्हिज्युअल फील्ड लॉस होते. व्हिज्युअल फील्ड लॉस झाल्यामुळे काय होते? ग्लोकोमा उद्भवतो. ठीक आहे, टेक प्लेस ऑफ द ग्लोकोमा. ओके, टेक प्लेस ऑफ द ग्लोकोमा. सो this is all the steps of the pathophysiology. So in this lecture we have discusses about the glaucoma. Glaucoma. Okay, discuss about the glaucoma. So glaucoma, in that we have seen introduction. Okay, introduction, what is the glaucoma, then definition, what is the definition of the glaucoma, then next one is the glaucoma definition in simple one diagram. Okay, next one is a diagram of the glaucoma. What? Diagram of the glaucoma. Next one is etiology factor of the glaucoma. What? Etiological factor of the glaucoma. Next one is a physiology of glaucoma. In that, due to the etiological factor, hyperproduction of the aqueous and obstruct to outflow. Okay, obstruct. So obstruct कशाला करणार? हायपरप्रोडक्शन ऑफ द ॲक्वायस. ओके, हायपरप्रोडक्शन ऑफ द ॲक्वायसला ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट करणार. नंतर इंक्रीज द इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर. इंक्रीज द इंट्राऑक्युलर प्रेशर ड्यू टू द ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन ॲक्वायस, they leads intraocular pressure. Inhibit the blood supply to the optic nerve and retina. Due to the inhibit the blood supply to the optic nerve and retina, the tissue become ischemic and gradual loss of the function and visual field loss. This is all pathophysiology of the glaucoma. So in this lecture we have discussions about the introduction, definition, etiology and pathophysiology. In the next lecture we will discussing about the glaucoma types and glaucoma management. So thank you.